um we are gonna be coding a login form. Here we have our title, login. We have the first label, which would be name, potentially bit pale. And then we have, let's break your data modimo, and then we have our input where the user will input the high, and then ritual input the ritual input our input the ritual input section, and then re lokela di attribute tsa rena, and then roba type of text. The user is going to input text, and then another label break. Create add the break because they make everything more organized, easier to manage. Label again, right? And then you label ya something, you email, enter email, email, and then right input the arena, see input user input right input right, and then see then attribute there now since type email, and then we're gonna have our password. Break make everything more organized. Label, and then know your password, and then input the type of type is equals to web over password ratual element DNA input web are run qua it's on, and then for take a little bit the break, so that's why there is more, so break br qua wait what arbo okay I see br okay, I see everything is organized and well. And then reload to maga CSS, reload la CSS in an arena. You're gonna put it inside the head. No, yeah, yeah. Reload la CSS in an arena. Style. Así. Ratomara stylang. Arvo, I remove to make a form. Usually get to make a body, but then I to make a form because I wanna do something. And then I see the bracket is arena. Yep, and then you remove a padding. R10px reveal imove yang famanyana ya rena, so imove R100px, okay, R110px a little bit more, 120. Okay, I like karata muiling, so okay, everything seems fine. And then like a styling. Arto make up my beat. Alright, wait, let me input placeholders for the man. I gonna input placeholder for the name. I gotta enter name. Alright, look at the placeholder. Place. What is happening? Placeholder. Enter name. And then for email placeholder and over enter email. And then for password over enter password. Placeholder enter password or Kenya password enter password. Simple. Look how clean it looks, nice and clean. And then okay, it looks not bad. Yeah. Oh, and then enter yeah. And then you know a background to black, but then the text is also black, so you guys wanna add on the text white. Area it's a white. I think blue. Area it's a blue. Area it's a blue. And then yeah, area is a blue. And area is a body oil. Oh, either for the first one. I already finished class. I can either one class. Labels. Class labels another one the last one class attributes class labels since we look that's one labels. Okay, looks like that's one. And then I will think class something like the labels. And then I'll be something like this. Then blue. You want the color to be blue. Color be blue. Something along. About nice. And then ringnya the box di logarang habis itu di light blue la raza di light blue di box nya aja. Okay, so the input are di class are the input box or contain are bisa di container class container. We're gonna do it for all of these class container. This is to avoid who style each individual to style this you can style each individual thing, each individual contain I guess in this class only style all at the same time since you know style same contain now. And then I the style since class dot container. And then style like light blue border color light blue yes light blue map. I think they look nice. Yeah, I think they really look nice. Yeah, I think be sharp. Don't they look nice? An easy, simple, what getting login form. You can obviously enhance this. You can look at the glowing but they take a long time. Since more code, more code. I'm gonna look at less than 50 lines of code, and it not bad. And I look at the glow, at the box shadow, but then let's just ignore them for now. Yeah, I think it looks nice. Enter name most. I look at one last thing. Button your login. Well, your login. Are qua login. Break BR. Agar. So instead of same thing, after I submit, kologela button. Okay, let's know it's on a cool. I na label since the button never input and then actually then yoba ritual close input and then attributes that thing yoba type yoba submit and then ID yoba I know value of the button yoba r value or other value yoba login or login and then I run one I see let's add a break you can solid range something like this. Okay, each up one I'm on I can just remove the style remover something like this. Good. Then I'll remove a little bit up then I don't know if I dig you can style up here and then you have ID our button yeah ID button there are like style remove up here a few pixels away from that thing and then you have represent button cover ke ID reverse there hele class reverse there and hele straight up element are reverse any dot or hash is it and then you have r padding from the r padding r1px no because you move a relative to because the camera from manyane r10px oh margin I mean margin something like that I like it mailing it then the something called a register or because typically when I said anything I register input and then attribute thing type since it is a because since you link to another HTML file we sang a register file but then for now I see we see I don't get to see the space and browse okay since we also so we also see our login form how many what enter name Musa enter email Musa the boss enter password 1234567890 I see login simple and then our style our login button and then our border radius your no border color yeah radius sorry change it 4px would be nice then we're gonna border color border color and then border color hey why the hell am I Iran. Border color light blue. Yeah, this looks nice. I make a background, so I edit the body. Body since element there no select down and then declaration that I see yoba background one fella background minus color yoba black ring I black or when how blue. Yeah, but I prefer it really white, so let me just change it just to white. Raw white. Yeah, kira really white. Are at the H1. Are at the H1. Maybe more. Are something yana. Welcome to P Pirates. H1. Welcome to P Pirates. To P Pirates. See. Are styling yoba H1 tag. Since it's a element stated and select H1 yoba are style yoba are padding padding 10 pixels. Okay, immovable are position obsolete. No, okay, are margin left are 15 pixels. Okay, 15 pixels doesn't seem like it's enough. 105 is too much. 90, 89, too much. R 75. Nope. 65. R at the line. So more R at the HR. I'm gonna write something like that. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I think it looks nice. I think it looks nice. Yeah, it does look nice. I think it does look nice, and then yeah, I think it's a red. Oh, we also have internal CS. I mean inline CSS. And we can instead of edit something, maybe an element or whatever, label a tag, whatever. In CSS straight in a CSS document, you can edit it. You can edit it inline, more line, you know, as an attribute, not style attribute, style, and then there are color. Oh, I be red. Then I run it. Something like this. Thank you. Yeah. Wow, it looks nice. Login. Hey. Yeah.